for dry rocks. So all that is going to be covered there under DP3 for the girls. Now let's talk about how the property form is set up here for dwellings. It is going to have a coverage form for all three forms that are going to be a deck page that has 5 coverage sections. In the case that there is no premium or listed limits listed, you will have no coverage for that part. So coverage A is for the dwelling, and this is direct English type. Coverage B is other structures, also direct English type. Coverage C is for personal property, direct English type, and coverage D is fair rental value. This is an indirect English type. And generally, you're not going to have both fair rental value and coverage E, which is additional living expense, which is also an indirect loss. Under coverage A, what is coverage? Coverage A is going to cover the dwelling that is described on the declaration page, anything that is physically attached to that structure, any additions, fixtures, materials and supplies that are in the near vicinity of the dwelling used to either do repairs or renovations or construction, and any equipment or machinery that is used to service the dwelling. For example, an AC unit doesn't have to be on the same pad. It can be on a pad a couple of feet away or 20 feet away. Doesn't matter. It's used to service the dwelling. It will be covered. Understand that under all property policies, there is no coverage for land. Coverage B, this is other structures. The legal word for this is an appurtenant structure, right? So you may see that sometimes on the test. Understand that the standard amount of coverage B is going to be 10% of the coverage A. This is going to cover things like detached garages, sheds, fences, outbuildings, anything that's separated by a clear space from the main building is going to be covered under coverage B. Understand that under dwelling policies, there will not be any coverage available for any grade markers or mausoleums, so those will be excluded under coverage B, and we'll also talk about is excluded under coverage C. Coverage C is going to be for personal property. What is covered is going to be household and other personal property that is usual to a residence at the physical premise. It's going to cover other property in the insurer's custody unless it is